Hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back with another video. I've been doing a review of the Fosmon dual conductive charging station, which I recently did a video on before I did my gaming headset unboxing and review. So don't forget to check that out. I'll leave the link in the description box below, and hopefully you'll see a card up here as well. Alright guys, so let's get started with this video. Alright, so first I want to tell you guys what this thing has. So I bought it off Amazon for about 26 bucks. And it came with 2 battery packs, and well, obviously this charging station, of course, and this micro USB to USB. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys how to connect it to like your Xbox or something like that. If you guys want to use it from there, so let me just grab my Xbox and I'll show you guys. First, I'm gonna grab your USB, and this is if you want to plug it into your Xbox, which I recommend. So you put this USB port either in the front here or the back. It's up to you. And so basically that's how you do it. You just put it in the back and then you connect this part in here like so to this micro USB port like this. There you go. And basically you just grab your controller and you just place it on it and it'll start charging. And I don't have it on now, but whenever it starts charging, it'll show that it's green, like flashing green. And when it's permanently just stays green like that, that means it's not charging. It usually takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge, which might seem like a lot, but it's well worth it. Especially if you're a hardcore gamer, this will last you a long time for long playing sessions, which I definitely recommend buying this. I'll definitely leave this product in the link in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, as well, guys, if you guys didn't see my last video of the review of the gaming headset, I'll also leave a link in the description for that video as well. Alright, so I'll tell you guys what I thought of this. I've had it for a couple weeks now, and it's been working great, guys. It definitely does take a while to charge, but like I said, it's worth it. And it does last you a long time. It lasts you about, I don't know, about 21 hours of gameplay, something like that. I don't really remember, but yeah, guys. So it lasts you a very long time. I definitely recommend it. This product, guys. I'm not even playing around. I don't know if it's still 26 bucks. I'm pretty sure the price went up because I did buy it a couple weeks ago. And this is basically Amazon's best seller. At least that's what it said on the website. It was Amazon's best seller. So don't forget to check this out, guys. Alright, so that was just a little quick review on this guy, and basically saying what I thought of this. And is it worth it? Yes, of course it is. I definitely recommend it. Alright, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah, guys, peace.